What's up, guys? It's Rob with Project XJ99, and if you've seen my video yesterday, you heard that we added a Jeep to the family. It's 2018 Wrangler JK, and Jessie bought her first mod for it, so I'm going to install them. I wasn't going to do a video at first, but then I decided that it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. And I did have a few pointers on making the job a little easier. So stick around, check it out, and tell me what you think. The mesh grill inserts from Rugged Ridge, and we're going to install them, so let's do it. I have installed the first one. I started from the center. Let's see, where is it? It comes with these adhesive backings, and some of it is the paper's not completely over it, so it'll allow you to stick it on there, give you a good positioning, so you can adjust it to however you want it. So what I'm doing is just barely peel off the back, get it positioned to where you want it. I lined them up with all this tape, this blue painter's tape, lined them all up. And then I'm just eyeballing the positioning in the middle. Get it where you want. And just peel this off. That way, you don't peel it completely off, you stick it on and it's not where you want it. So we'll do it with the next one. I think these are roughly $37 on Amazon. Like I said, I will drop the link in the description. I think this is a better look than the stock. Nothing protecting the radiator whatsoever. Uh-oh. I did wipe the grill down with alcohol and cleaned it before I decided to start this. Just pull it out just a little bit, bend it over to where you can grab it. Here it is, final product. I think it looks great. Makes me feel a little better having some protection for the radiator now, other than that. So tell me what you guys think. Have you had them before? Have you used them? I'll post a review on them later. Give it some time and see how we like them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm getting my butt back into the house. I didn't even plan on making a video tonight, but I felt like I should with this mod. Pretty simple. Like I said, 15 minutes and it's done. Hopefully the two tips with the painter's tape and the method of peeling the backing off helps you guys with yours if you do decide to buy them. So thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.